With warmer temperatures comes spring thaw. Water will start to accumulate on our streets, back lanes, and ditches. When that happens, our public works crew begin addressing these drainage issues by steaming catch basins, main storm drains, and culverts throughout Kindersley. The hot steam melts the ice that is blocking the water from flowing. This is one reason that during the winter months we ask property owners not to pile snow in drainage ditches or on top of culvert openings, as it causes huge drainage issues during spring thaw. Some catch basins or culverts can take anywhere from 15 minutes to a few hours to thaw. We also experience these refreezing during the freeze-thaw cycle that happens with changes in temperatures. For example, the crews can thaw a catch basin during the day, and by nightfall it can freeze over again. If you have a concern about drainage, contact our administration office and crews will be dispatched on a priority basis. Our public works crews try to respond as quickly as possible.